Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to type micro symbol in keyboard. So I have opened the on-screen keyboard. So in the first method, you need to hold down this Alt key, and on the numeric side, you need to press 0, 1, 8, 1 and release this Alt key. This will instantly paste the micro symbol. There is another way. You need to type 00B5 and press this Alt and X key all together. The code will turn instantly to the micro symbol. Another way is that you need to type M and then you need to highlight it. Go to the home, go to the font and change the font to the symbol. This will turn instantly to the micro symbol. So this is the simple way you can easily type micro symbol in keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel.